I think that's the other thing that's really popular in nervous system regulation is to get to the fix and get to the hack. And yeah, anything else you care to riff off of with that?
Yeah, I think that what we're speaking about is again a bit of self-study, but also layering in self-compassion. Like I don't have to aggressively change myself. And that that what if these quote unquote dysregulated nervous system states were serving a purpose, were holding its own form of information, maybe even a treasure for me. That if I kind of loop my consciousness around a somatic experience and a nervous system state, and I let myself bring in enough resource and curiosity and compassion towards that quote unquote dysregulated state, then I actually realize it's holding something very necessary for my overall sense of self or healing journey.